I'm gonna show you how you can find somebody's IP address and know where they live. This is an actual IP address I found from this girl. So, like, let's say somebody's bullying you. You can send them a link using Grabify IP logger. Just enter code and stuff, and then create URL, and then you can customize the URL thing. So I'm trying to find her address. I already have her IP address. So what you gotta type is whatismyipaddress.com. And right now, she lives in that state right there. She lives in Johor, Singapore, Malaysia, Ulu Tiram. Her ISP is Celcom? Yeah, I don't know about that. She's from Asia. Yeah, no shit. she's from Malaysia. So it is that easy to get someone's code. So I hope this is my IP address, because I 100% am positive I don't live in Johor. So that's how you know somebody's IP address, and you can shock them by actually like taking a screenshot of where they live. What the f... Alright. Let's zoom in here. Take that. Where the fuck is it? Scroll up. And yeah, I think we found her address. She lives around that area. Around here, I get. She lives around, she could be possibly living around here. Now we can scare her off. This is how you scare someone off. All you